Slider windows are a popular choice for Redmond homeowners because they offer wide, unobstructed views, excellent ventilation, and smooth, easy operation. Their horizontal sliding design makes them convenient for daily use and perfect for modern or traditional home styles throughout Redmond's neighborhoods. But like any window type, slider windows require proper cleaning and maintenance to keep them looking beautiful and performing efficiently year-round. This complete guide will help Redmond homeowners care for their slider windows with simple, practical steps that extend their lifespan and keep them functioning smoothly. Gather the right cleaning supplies before you begin cleaning. It's helpful to have the right tools on hand. Fortunately, slider windows don't require any specialty products, just basic supplies you likely already have around your home. Recommended cleaning tools: soft microfiber cloths, non-abrasive household cleaner or mild soap vinegar water solution for streak-free glass, soft brush or handheld vacuum, silicone-based lubricant, safe for window tracks. Warm water and bucket. Avoid abrasive pads or harsh chemicals. They can damage the glass and frame finish. Remove dust and debris from window tracks. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows, smooth operation, depends heavily on clean tracks. Dust, dirt, pine needles, and pet hair can accumulate quickly in Redmond's climate, especially during windy or rainy seasons. To clean the tracks, open the window fully to expose the track. Vacuum loose dirt using a brush attachment. Use a soft brush or cloth to loosen stuck-on debris. Wipe the track with warm, soapy water. Dry thoroughly to prevent rust or mold. Clean tracks help prevent sticking, grinding, and unnecessary strain on the window rollers. Clean the glass for a clear, streak-free finish. Slider windows usually have large glass panes, so regular cleaning keeps your home bright and your view beautiful. For streak-free glass cleaning, spray with a vinegar water mix or a gentle glass cleaner. Wipe in circular motions using a microfiber cloth. Dry with a clean, lint-free towel to prevent streaks. Clean both the interior and exterior for maximum clarity. Tip: clean windows on a cloudy day. Direct sunlight can cause streaking as the cleaner dries too quickly. Wash and inspect the window screens. Many slider windows include removable screens that allow airflow while keeping insects out, a big benefit during Redmond's warm summer months. Keeping screens clean improves ventilation and appearance. To refresh screens, gently remove the screen from the frame. Rinse with water using a garden hose. Scrub lightly with a soft brush and mild soap. Rinse again and allow to air dry completely. Inspect for tears or loose edges before reinstalling. If screens are damaged, replacing them ensures proper airflow and pest protection. Lubricate the tracks and rollers for smooth operation. Over time, slider windows can become difficult to open or close, often due to dry or dirty tracks. Adding a silicone-based lubricant helps the sash glide smoothly. Maintenance steps: apply a thin, even coat of silicone lubricant to the clean, dry track. Avoid oil-based lubricants, they attract dust and cause buildup. Check the rollers beneath the sash and clean them if accessible. Smooth operation makes the window easier to use and reduces wear on components. Inspect weather stripping for drafts or damage. Weather stripping keeps out Redmond's chilly winters and humid summers. Over time, it can crack, loosen, or flatten, reducing the energy efficiency of your slider windows. Check for gaps or air leaks, cracked rubber or vinyl strips, loose or peeling. Weather stripping. Replacing worn weather stripping is inexpensive and greatly improves comfort and energy savings. Schedule professional maintenance when needed. Even with excellent care, slider windows may occasionally need professional attention, especially if you notice fogging between panes, damaged frames, or persistent difficulty opening. A Redmond window expert can adjust misaligned sashes, replace damaged rollers, diagnose sealing issues, recommend upgrades for energy efficiency. Keep your slider windows beautiful and functional year-round. Regular cleaning and maintenance help slider windows operate smoothly, look great, and last longer. With proper care, Redmond homeowners can enjoy clearer views, better ventilation, and improved energy efficiency from their slider windows in every season. If you're considering new slider windows or need expert maintenance, local professionals can help keep your home comfortable and your windows performing their best.